the WAGO 2601 series, the field connection now is also handy for signal wiring situations. For this, the product family of PCB terminal blocks with lever has been expanded by a smaller version. With its large connection capacity from 0.14 to 1.5 square millimeters or gauge 26 to 16, there's a high variety of possible applications. The handling is also very convenient thanks to the push-in technology and the intuitive tool-free lever operation. Also important are the large number of variants, which are characterized by different pin spacings, conductor entry sites, and conductor cross-sections.